guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing BoxyCharm. If you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. Every package comes with 5 full-size items, valued at I think $150 plus, but don't quote me on that. They're only $25 though, so it's definitely a good bang for your buck. It's whether or not you would choose to buy the items in the box. You do get to choose one item. The box is monthly, but every quarter you have the option of upgrading to what they call Boxy Luxe, and that comes with like I think 8 to 11 items. It's an insane box. So anyway, I think that's actually next March. No, I think it's June. Actually, I don't know, so don't quote me on anything. I did peek around in here. I actually really love this month's box. We're gonna get right into it. But I did peek, so sorry guys. I will link down below to BoxyCharm with my referral. I'll also link to my full review on my blog. I do know that they were bought by Ipsy recently, which is very interesting because you guys know I love me some Ipsy. And I don't know how much that's going to change the subscription. If we're going to start seeing things in both boxes, that wouldn't be good. I hope that they keep their own BoxyCharm flair and Ipsy keeps its own Ipsy flair, because I really feel like they're two very different. Do you guys agree with me? Do you know what I mean? Anyway, it doesn't make everything better. I felt like the worst couple weeks. Anyway, I don't want to be negative, so I'm not doing that. I hope you guys are great. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful April 13th. All right, so we're gonna open this up. It says sweet treats. That's the theme. The back here tells you your variation, and it also lists each of the items along with their retail value. This variation is C21040005/BA. Ta-da! Everything comes wrapped. All right, I didn't open anything. I saw everything in here. I didn't open it. So this is, I'm guessing it's pronounced Kinder, K-N-D-R, but it's called, looks like Kinder Beauty highlight palette. And this is valued at $15. That's not very pricey, but still nice. I think I've told you guys a million times, I love getting highlighters. I like playing with highlighters. I just love them. So I like it. I'll take it. This is a really cute little, it's plastic. It's got the gold, whatever it's called. And then the back does tell you the colors. So there's gracious, angel, loving, and kindly. So all the, I cut my finger this morning on a chef's knife. Oh, that's interesting. Kind of looks like the hourglass. So there is a mirror in there. So this is gracious. This is angel, loving, and kindly. All right. Ooh, I like them. They're like really nice actually. For the price. I've never heard of this brand, but that's cool. All right, so there you go. There's your 4 colors. I really like this champagne-y looking color. I think it's really pretty. Yeah, for sure. Anyway, if you want to see it again for longer. All right, next up. All right, we have Pharmacy, from Pharmacy, the Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. This, a couple items from them I can't use, like that I realized recently. I know I've come on here and I've been like, oh, hyaluronic acid, I'm loving it. I actually took it out of my routine and my skin was so much better. And I'm like, you know what? I'm not messing with this anymore. So they're hyaluronic acid I can't use or anything like that. But this is something I'm excited for. This is their Ultra Hydrating Face Oil, and it is valued at $48. So this is a pricey item. Almost double the price of the box itself, which is great. They do make great products too, and the packaging is always just nice, really nice. Like, look at the end. I want to use it, right? Let's see if it smells like honey. Yeah, a little bit actually. Do you remember the Hey Honey primer from e.l.f.? Kind of has that same smell. All right. So there's that. I like that item. I love skincare. Like, I love, not that I need it. I don't need anything, actually. All right. So this is a brand that I've only recently learned about through BoxyCharm. They did send out that really cool, it almost looked like a Ouija board thing, face brush. So this is also from Eloise Cosmetics. This is the Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator. You know what I wish for this stuff? they'd put SPF in it. That way you can use it when you're like at the pool, because pool time's coming, girls. And then it would be like you getting your SPF while doing this. Do you remember the Bearer Republic? I did like a full range review. Okay, you can open now, sis. Or not. Just make a fool of me. How about that? They did those cool shimmer sticks. I still use those. I love them. I think they're cool. So the box says, how to get gleaming like a goddess. Shake before use for the best application. This luminizer can be applied to all areas on the face and body, your cheekbones, shoulders, neckline, collarbones, legs, and arms for a gleaming glow. You can use our unique brushes to seamless, so that's what the brush, they had planned this all out, to buff the highlighter onto your face and body. If you experience any irritation, please discontinue use and consult your doctor. Consult your doctor. All right, anyway, I want to see what it looks like. I love that package. Look at that pump. Oh, it's so nice. All right, let's see. I hope it's not like Cover Effects where you one little dot and you're, that's exciting. I'll have to look after. I don't know if what that looks like. Oh, I want to wear it all over. I like the I'll be honest, I really like the consistency, and it's not like, it's very forgiving. Like if you overdo it, you can see how it toned it down. Now I don't know if that'll dry down or not. That's the only thing. So there's that. I actually really like that, and I'm excited to try it out. I like that a lot. All right, keeping it moving here. Oh, did I tell you the price of that? No. I got super excited about putting it on. Now it's going to get all over my shirt. That's $38. All right. These are Monarch Lash Pack. What the heck? So it's from a brand called Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. I've never heard of them. So these are $38. There's 2 styles in here, and then they have the little tweezers to put them on. Do you know, I haven't had the courage yet to try fake lashes since I got LASIK. So it's a thing that I have to try. So maybe I do that and I learn. I'm still scared. So the top lash is called Baby Girl. And it's an angled lash for an iconic cat eye effect. And then there's the lash applicator. And then the bottom lash is called Charmer. Round lash for an instant doll effect. I'm inclined to say that I like the top one better. It looks a little more natural, I guess. Anyway, all right. Those I said were $38. All right, then finally we have this from Studio Makeup. This is a tinted moisturizer formulated with hyaluronic acid, so that stinks. I'm not even going to open this. I'll pass this on to somebody or something like that. It's $35, but if it has the hyaluronic acid, let's see which number. It's like the 8th ingredient. I could try it, but then if I try it and I don't like it, nobody wants somebody's half-used product. So I'm not even going to open this one. I was excited to see a tinted moisturizer when I first opened the box, and I was like, oh yeah, cool, there's a tinted, like just for days where you just need a little bit of something on there. And then it usually has SPF, so you don't have to worry about doing that for the day. But the hyaluronic acid snaps. Anyway, so the value of the box, we'll do a quick and dirty math here. And when I say dirty, I mean dirty. All right, 48 plus 35 is 80. We're just going to say 80 plus 40, 120 plus 40 is 160. About, give or take, $5 to $10. It's about $175 in value here. So that's a great value for just the $25 spend that it was. So if you're interested in checking out BoxyCharm, I will link to them below. I will also link to my full review. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.